I've been craving chocolate chip cookie lately. My cookie is gonna be a giant super cookie. Today we are going to make a super simple, easy recipe for chocolate chip cookie. This recipe is gonna yield a super soft, moist, ooey gooey chocolate chip cookie that's not gonna be crispy. Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you watching. Life of Pang. Today, I'm going to make a giant chocolate chip cookie. Why? Because I'm baking in my rice cooker and there is no way for me to try and make individual sized cookies. So with that, let's just get started. Start with super soft butter, and we do this because we don't want to overmix the butter. I like to sift in my brown sugar just to get rid of some clumps. And look at all the clumps in my brown sugar. Add the vanilla and then just mix it until it's incorporated. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Now go ahead and sift in your dry ingredient, your flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix the batter until almost all the white flour are gone. And now add in your chocolate chip. Line the rice cooker with some baking paper and shape your dough into a ball. And then don't do like I just did. Try to drop it in the middle, and then using your hands or your spatula, push the dough to the bottom and out towards the outer side of the rice cooker. Don't push it too hard, and then just flatten the top a little bit. And now we're ready to bake. Oh, and put a paper towel on top of the rice cooker before closing. This will catch condensation from the lid. I'm setting my timer for 20 minutes because I don't want to overbake this. Alright, it's after the first bake and I just want to check, and the cookie dough is still quite wet on top. As you can see, when I press on it, it leaves an indent. So let's give it one more bake cycle. Now with this recipe, you don't want to overbake. It's going to be crispy and hard. So you want to just bake it for about 13 minutes or so. And the cookie will still be soft when you take it out. Let it rest for a few hours, and during that time it's still going to continue to cook. And the longer you let it rest, the more ooey, chewy it's going to get, okay? And on the second bake cycle here, I'm not going to wait the 20 minutes in the warm state, so I'm just watching it. Once the status turned to warm, I'm going to open the rice cooker. And here we go. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, look at that puff on the top. That means the batter is baking through. Now leave the pot in the rice cooker for about 5 minutes with the lid open. And if you look at this, when I put some slight pressure on it, the dough kind of bounces back. So we are done baking. Let your cookie cool for about 2 hours. The longer it cools, the better it's going to be. Hey, look it. My cookie is breathing. That was fast motion for my cookie deflating. I can't wait to dig in. This cookie is so soft, it just falls apart when you try to pick it up, so cut it into small pieces and share it or eat it by yourself like I'm gonna do. You guys, you're gonna love this recipe. Go ahead and make it for yourself. If you are baking your cookies in the oven, here's a few tips to make sure your cookies don't just become big blobs on your cookie sheet. Check the oven baking instruction in the description box below for tips. I can't wait to taste this. It smells so good. Oh, so yummy in my tummy. It just melts in your mouth. This recipe, it's gonna yield about 10 to 12 cookie, depending on your cookie size. So if you are making this in the oven or for a big group of people, you're probably gonna want to double or triple or even quadruple the recipe a little bit. If you do have some leftover, I recommend putting a piece in the microwave for about 5 seconds to just soften it up. It will taste like it just came out of the oven. Don't wait, just go ahead and make it. You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please give me that thumbs up down below if this video was enjoyable and helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And that notification bell too, so that you know when I upload new videos and you don't miss any of them. And I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and my channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, happy baking!